Hi boys and girls, now it's time for our math activity, and remember we went over our solid shapes, and I don't know how far you've gotten, but we're moving on from where we were, and we're going to look at a review of shapes that slide and roll and stack. So tell me, what does the cone shape do? This is our cone shape. What are the things that the cone does? Can it stack, slide, or roll? Okay? And then tell me about the pyramid. What does the pyramid do? Can it stack, roll, slide? And then let's look at the rectangular prism. Let's look at the rectangular prism. Can it stack, slide, or roll? Hope you're getting those answers correct. And then let's look at the cylinder. Cylinder. Can it stack? Can it roll? Can it slide? Okay? You should know those activities. Now, today's lesson is going to focus on something called vertices and faces. Okay? Now, we know when we look at our face, this is a different kind of face. It's the flat side of your object, the flat side, okay? The flat side of a cube. And we want to know how many faces this cube has. And if we count, we can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then at the bottom 6. So a cube has 6 faces. And then we want to know how many vertices it has. A vertex is where faces come together. The faces come together. 1, see where the faces come together? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's really the points, okay? That's where all the faces meet. They meet at this point, that's 1, this point 2, this point 3, this point 4, and if we go down here, there's another point, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 6 faces and 8 vertices, okay? And that's what we're going to be looking at with our shape. How many faces and how many vertices. So if you've completed 80, you're going to move to 81, 82, and 83 of your math workbook, okay? And I know you're going to do an excellent job. Remember that the faces are the flat side of the object, the flat side, and the vertex or the vertices is where that meets. So this pyramid would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where the faces meet. Just think about the points, okay? And I know you're going to do an excellent job.